guys! Many of you are requesting me to show my nail polish collection, so I thought I'll start with that series. Now, as the month of February is going on, that's the month of love, so I decided to start this series with color pink. I'm going to show you all the pink polishes from my collection and I'm going to swatch those for you. So all those pink lovers, get set and keep watching till the end. The first shade I'm showing you here is by Naika Enamel and the shade name is Cotton Candy. This is the soft pink color and the formula is little bit thick, so after a certain period of time it might get little bit sticky, but the color is awesome. If you love this kind of soft pink shades, then you can surely go for this one. The next polish here is by Deel Gel Nail Lacquer and the shade name is Marshmallow Crush. This is again a soft pink color, but this is a metallic polish. This dries down in a reasonable time and here you need 2 coats for perfect opacity. This is a very good polish and here is the look with 2 coats of Marshmallow Crush. The next shade I am showing you here is by Faces Canada and the shade name is Heather. This is again a soft pink color, but it has got a little bit sheer purple undertone to it. Here you need 2 coats for perfect opacity and this is the look with 2 coats of Heather. The next polish I am showing you here is by Plum Color Affairs and the shade name is Strawberry. As the name suggests, it's a cute pink color. I like this kind of pink shades which are not so soft or not so dark kind of colors. And here the formula is awesome and you need 2 coats for perfect opacity. The next one is by Colorbar Vegan Nail Lacquer and the shade name is Pink Tease. This is a little bit darker shade of pink than the earlier ones. The formula is very good over here. You need 2 coats for perfect opacity. I have a dedicated video showing the Colorbar Vegan Nail Lacquer collection. You can go watch that video if you are interested. And this is amazing color. The next one is again by Colorbar Nail Lacquer and the shade name is French Rose. As the name suggests, it's a rose kind of a pink color and you might like this color. You need 2 coats for perfect opacity and formula is awesome here. Now this one is by Pop Nail Lacquer and the shade name is Bubblegum Dreams. I have created a separate video showing the swatches and review of Pop Nail Lacquer. You can go check that video if you are interested. This formula is thicker, so you might need only 1 coat for perfect opacity. The next one is by Reni Cosmetics. I had recently purchased this polish and this is from the range Hypergel Nail Paint. The shade name is Misty Rose. This has got a purple undertone to it. 2 coats are required for perfect opacity and this is a good color. The next one is by Deel Gel Nail Lacquer and the shade name is Apricot Deel. This is a peach-like color and I have created many nail art designs using this color as a base coat, and I have a dedicated video showing the nail polishes by Deel Gel Nail Lacquer. You can go watch that video if you are interested. The next one is by Love Child Maaba and the shade name is Fool. Here you need 2 coats for perfect opacity, and this is a duskier version of pink and peach combination, and I love this color as this looks very nice on all the skin tones. The next one is by Naika Pink Love Nail Enamel and the shade name is Got Me Blushing. This is my latest purchase and the formula is good. You need only 1 coat for perfect opacity. The next one is by Bellura Paris Breathable Nail Polish Collection and the shade name is Rose Pink, and this is a dusky pink color and you need 2 coats for perfect opacity. The shine is awesome here. I love this polish. The next one is by Naika Insta Dry Nail Enamel Collection. The shade name is Raspberrygram and this is a duskier pink color and 1 coat is sufficient to get the perfect opacity. The next polish is by Sugar Tic Tac Toe Nail Lacquer. The shade name is Pink Peony. This is a duskier pink color and 1 coat is sufficient for perfect opacity. I have created a dedicated video showing various shades of this collection. You can go check out that video if you feel interested. The next one is by Zudio Nail Color and the shade name is Martini Pink. You need 2 coats for perfect opacity. Zudio nail polishes you can get at reasonable price, but you can get them only at Zudio stores. The next one is by Juice Cosmetics and this is from their Shine range. The number is 30 and this is a deep pink color and 1 coat is sufficient to get the perfect opacity. The next polish is by Naika and it's from their Breathable Nail Enamel Collection. The name is Dreamy Dahlia and this is a hot pink color and here also 1 coat is sufficient to get the perfect opacity. This is beautiful shade. The next one is by Faces Canada Splash Nail Enamel and the shade name is Watermelon. This is again a deep pink color and it has got a little bit duskier tone to it. This is a very beautiful shade and I have used this color many a times. The next one is by Miniso and the shade name is Dark Pink. This is the deepest pink color in my collection and this is a 1 coater and it dries down very fast. The shine is also very good. Now this one is by Faces Canada and it is basically from the wedding collection. The shade name is Flying Solo, and I have created a separate video showing the swatches and review of this range by Faces Canada. You can check out if you are interested. Now this polish is a metallic polish and it has got a very good shine, and it has got glitter particles into it, which gives a beautiful look to this. Now I'm starting with the matte polishes. This matte polish is again by Faces Canada, and I have created a separate video showing the swatches and review of this matte collection as well. This polish is a very light soft pink color, and this looks amazing on the nails, and I just love this color so much. The next matte polish is again by Faces Canada and the shade name is Cashmere Pink. This dries down to a very beautiful matte polish, and if you want to try some matte polishes, then you can certainly try some of the polishes from this particular range by Faces Canada, and this is a beautiful color. The next one is by Color Soul and the shade name is Fuchsia Matness. As the name suggests, it's a fuchsia pink color. Now Color Soul is comparatively a new brand in the market, but the quality of the polishes is really very good. You can check out my separate video showing the swatches and review of this particular range. This is a beautiful shade though. The next one is by Naika Enamel and this is from their Cookie Crumble collection. The shade name is Cherry Crush, and this is a very beautiful nail polish. Like, if you don't want to wear any nail art, you can just wear this polish on your nails and you're good to go. The next shade is by Color Soul and the shade name is Glowing Rose. This is a rose pink color with the glitter particles into it. You can wear this color on some functions or special occasions, and the removal of this polish is really very difficult as it gets very sticky. The next one is by Color Soul and the shade name is Pink Crown. This is a glitter polish with a pink base. On the first coat it's very sheer. On the second coat, it's get the opacity. Some people might need third coat to get the perfect opacity, and removal is not that difficult. And now last but not the least, it's by Naika and this is from their Pink Love Nail Enamel collection. This is my latest purchase. The shade name is Sweetheart Sparkle and this is a holographic polish. It has got holographic glitter particles into it, and this is a very beautiful color that you must try. I love this color so much. Here I showed you all the pink polishes from my collection. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please hit like. A like by you will recommend this video to many of the viewers who like this kind of content, and that will really be helpful for me. Subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notifications about my upcoming videos. Check out my other videos as well. Thank you. Bye.